Hey there, coffee lovers and foodies. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the nitty-gritty of everyday tech and lifestyle hacks. Today's question is one I've seen popping up everywhere. Is it possible to use your Starbucks gift card on Uber Eats in 2025? If you've got a stash of Starbucks credits burning a hole in your wallet and you're craving that seamless Uber Eats delivery, you're in the right place. Let's break this down step by step. First off, as we head into 2025, the world of digital payments and partnerships has evolved big time. Starbucks and Uber Eats have been teaming up more closely, thanks to expanding collaborations in the food delivery space. The short answer is yes. You can use your Starbucks gift card on Uber Eats, but it's not as straightforward as swiping it at a cafe. This feature relies on integrations through the Uber Eats app, which now supports certain gift card redemptions as part of broader loyalty programs. How does it work? Start by opening your Uber Eats app and heading to the payment section. You'll need to link your Starbucks account or rewards program first. Once connected, select your Starbucks gift card as a payment method when ordering from participating Starbucks locations via Uber Eats. It's that simple, but here's a heads up. This only applies to Starbucks items on the Uber Eats platform, like your favorite lattes or pastries. If you're ordering from other restaurants, it won't work. Of course, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Not all regions or countries have rolled this out yet, so check if it's available in your area. Also, there might be minimum order requirements or expiration dates on your gift card to watch out for. On the plus side, this integration makes it easier to redeem your rewards without jumping between apps, saving you time and effort. In conclusion, using a Starbucks gift card on Uber Eats in 2025 is absolutely possible and a game changer for seamless ordering. If you're excited to try it, go ahead and link those accounts today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Have you used this hack yet? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.